Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitya from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. In this video, let us have a discussion regarding the subject called Social Connect and Responsibility. Now let us start with organic farming and waste management. Organic farming. Let us know something about organic farming is a sustainable agricultural system that uses ecologically. Organic farming. Organic farming is a sustainable agricultural system that uses biological fertilizers derived largely from animal and plant waste and nitrogen fixing cover crops. Modern organic farming was developed as a response to the environmental harm caused by the use of chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers in conventional agriculture, and it has numerous ecological benefits. Organic farming uses fewer pesticides, reduces soil erosion, decreases nitrate leaching into the groundwater and surface water, and recycles animal waste back into the farm. These benefits are counterbalanced by higher food costs for consumers and generally lowers the yields. Indeed, yields of organic crops have been found to be about 25% lower overall than conventionally grown crops. Although this can vary considerably depending upon the type of crop, the challenge for the future organic agriculture will be to maintain its environmental benefits, increasing yields and reduce the prices while meeting the challenges of climate change and increasing the world population. Organic food sales. Organic food sales increased steadily from late 20th century. Greater environmental awareness coupled with concerns over the health impacts of pesticides reduces and consumption of organic food is generally higher than that of conventionally grown food depending on the product, the season and the vagaries of supply. Price of organic food can be anywhere from less than 10% between 100% above that conventionally grown produce. Management. Waste management or waste disposal includes the process and actions required to manage waste from its inception to its final disposal. It includes the collection, transport, treatment and disposal of waste together with monitoring and regulation of waste management process and waste related laws, technologies and economic mechanisms. Waste can be solid, liquid or gases, and each type has different methods of disposal and management. Waste management deals with all types of waste including industrial, biological, household, municipal, organic, biochemical, biomedical, radioactive wastes. In some cases, waste can pose a threat to human health. Health issues are associated with the entire process of waste management. Health issues can also arise indirectly or directly through handling of solid waste and indirectly through the consumption of water, soil and food. Waste is produced by human activity, for example, the extraction and processing of raw materials. Waste management is intended to reduce the adverse effects of waste on human health, the environment, planetary resources, and aesthetics. Food practices in society. Importance of food. Food practices enables construction and maintenance of cultural, racial and ethnic identities. Some traditional foods are preserved to have medicinal qualities and are consumed regularly. Traditional beliefs about the importance of foods for hot, cold, balance and health affect daily food practices. Cross-cultural food practices are common and adopted for a variety of multiculturalism and multicultural social influences the food practices in Singapore. The choice of food practices can be influenced by one's identity in many societies, but has mostly been evaluated in light of the maintenance of cultural identity in migrant populations. This study focused on understanding the influence of identity on food practices among the individuals in multicultural societies. We conducted 18 focus group discussions among India and Chinese societies. Deductive analysis was formed within a social representations approach, a physiological, a social psychological theory that allows deeper understanding of the contextual aspects of identity. Water conservation includes all the policies, strategies, and activities to sustainably manage all the natural resources of fresh water, to protect hydrosphere, and to meet the current and future human demand. Population house Population, household size, and growth and affluence all affect how much water is used. Factors such as climate change have increased pressure on natural water resources, especially in manufacturing, agricultural. Many countries have already implemented policies aimed at water conservation. Irrigation is the practice of applying controlled amounts of water to land to help grow crops, landscape plants, and lawns. Irrigation has been a key aspect of agriculture for over 5,000 years and has been developed by many cultures around the world. Irrigation helps to grow crops, maintain landscapes, and it is also employed to protect crops from the frost, suppress weed growth in the grain field. Plantation and adoption of a tree. Hibiscus. Hibiscus rosa sinensis is an ornamental plant, often a hedge or fence plant. It is native to China and it is also seen in India and Philippines. This plant having several forms and varying colors of flowers. This is a national flower of Malaysia. Hibiscus rosa sinensis is a perennial shrub belonging to the family and genus Hibiscus. The genus Hibiscus contains about 275 species which are native to tropical and South Asia and are widely distributed in different regions of the world. Many hibiscus species. Heritage Walk and Craft Corner. Jain Temple. Jain Temple, which is spiritual spot, is located in Devanahalli. Trust President Rajesh K. Johns further donated 11 acres of land for the temple construction, mostly marble and soft stone brought as one of the enters of the temple complex. The serene atmosphere and tolling of the smallest bells on the gopuras infuse divine feelings. The prevailing silence gives a spiritual awakening as the architecture captivates you. At the groups, all the groups are different in styles and shape, adding to the features the attractive flooring pattern